Hello, this is Darin Martineau from Master Magic University, and I'm going to show you some of my products. I have over 270 products here on my website. You can click the link in the description. Also, if you put in your name and email on my Master Magic University newsletter, I will send you tons of free magic video tutorials and my Master Magic course. So we'll get that to you straight away. Like I said, I have over 270 magic products. I'm a prolific magic creator. My newest product is Unmasking Lahome Musqué, which I've talked about in other videos. This is currently my newest product. I have New Master Close-Up Magic Volumes 1 and 2. I have something I call the Semi-Auto Magic card series, which are incredible. They're self-working card magic with some sleight of hand, but not difficult. Then I have the Super Cardman stuff. If you're a beginner, I have an incredible beginner's bundle here, which will give you, it's two for the price of one. It's 3 volumes. So if you buy it in this bundle, you save 30 bucks. So it's buy two and get one free. And what that is that's incredible professional magic for beginners. So this is, it's got a lot of magic in here. We'll go over a little bit of that. We'll just show volume 1 here. 72 downloads. So these are really incredible products here. I show matrix, I show tons and tons of stuff. This is good if you're a beginner. Now we'll go back. I don't have time to show you all 270 products, of course, but I'm just going to show you a lot of things that I have on here. So we're going to go over my $5.99 a month. It's called Master Magic Mentors monthly membership, and this you're going to get a lot of magic in here. It's videos, and I'm going to be putting, there's some ebooks in it, and it's great especially for beginners, but it's good for anyone, whether you're a beginner, intermediate, or advanced magician. But you learn exclusive magic that I've created, and also classics, new card magic, new coin magic, new jumbo magic, new impromptu magic, uh, new mentalism, new close-up magic, and even stage magic in here. So that's $5.99 a month only, and this is really incredible. Now if you want to get the elite level, if you're real serious about becoming a master magician, what is the difference? Well, I have, like I said, over 270 products. So with the elite level, you're going to get access to everything. It's all of my magic videos, exclusive magic videos, all of my magic books, and also many classic books. There's hundreds of books here. So this is thousands and thousands of magic tricks in here. This is everything that I've created. And it's only $20 a month. We have a lifetime access membership for $997 if you just want a one-time lifetime access. For 1 year, you save $43 if you buy a yearly membership for $197. That gives you access to everything that I create, literally everything. You get access to every product, and I mean, this just goes on and on and on. Over 270 products. So there's thousands and thousands of magic in here, and I'm really proud of my creations. I've been endorsed by 3 FISM winners. Shin Lim uses my Eclipse color change. I've been endorsed by Dennis Kim, who has won FISM. He won the video contest on the last one, and also Jean-Pierre Valerino has endorsed my Eclipse color change in his comment, saying superb. I'm known for my color changes. I'm known for a lot of things. I'm known for my magic consulting. I create shows as well. I've done a TV special on NBC, Extreme Variety Show, on Cox. I've been on, I had my own 1 hour PBS special. A lot of people don't know this because I'm not trying to toot my own horn. I'm just saying, not trying to impress you, but impress upon you. I really know what I'm doing when it comes to the art of magic. So like I said, the elite level is only $20 a month. You get access to all of my products, and this is constantly updating. Every week I add new magic videos, new magic that I'm working on. And so click on the link and join the Master Magic University Elite level now, and we'll see you on the inside. Thank you very much.